介词
Preposition.
Preposition.
比
To make a comparison.
To make a comparison.
我的房间比他的大。我的房间比他的大。
My room is bigger than his.
My room is bigger than his.
乒乓球比篮球小。乒乓球比篮球小。
A table tennis ball is smaller than a basketball.
A table tennis ball is smaller than a basketball.
今天的苹果比昨天贵。今天的苹果比昨天贵。
Apples are more expensive today than yesterday.
Apples are more expensive today than yesterday.
坐公共汽车比坐出租车便宜。坐公共汽车比坐出租车便宜。
Taking a bus is cheaper than taking a taxi.
Taking a bus is cheaper than taking a taxi.
他做的菜比我做的好吃。他做的菜比我做的好吃。
The dishes she cooks are better than mine.
The dishes she cooks are better than mine.
今天的天气比昨天冷。今天的天气比昨天冷。
Today's weather is colder than yesterday.
Today's weather is colder than yesterday.
坐飞机比坐火车快。坐飞机比坐火车快。
Flying is faster than taking a train.
Flying is faster than taking a train.
他比我高。他比我高。
He is taller than me.
He is taller than me.
妹妹比我小2岁。妹妹比我小2岁。
My sister is 2 years younger than me.
My sister is 2 years younger than me.
哥哥比姐姐大3岁。哥哥比姐姐大3岁。
My brother is 3 years older than my sister.
My brother is 3 years older than my sister.
今天的苹果比昨天贵1块钱。今天的苹果比昨天贵1块钱。
Today's apples are $1 more expensive than yesterday.
Today's apples are $1 more expensive than yesterday.
坐飞机比坐火车快3个小时。坐飞机比坐火车快3个小时。
Traveling by plane is 3 hours faster than taking the train.
Traveling by plane is 3 hours faster than taking the train.
今天的天气比昨天冷得多。今天的天气比昨天冷得多。
Today's weather is much colder than yesterday.
Today's weather is much colder than yesterday.
今天的你要比昨天更加努力学习。今天的你要比昨天更加努力学习。
Today you have to study harder than yesterday.
Today you have to study harder than yesterday.
每天比昨天进步一点点，你就会成功。每天比昨天进步一点点，你就会成功。
Make a little progress every day compared to yesterday, and you will succeed.
Make a little progress every day compared to yesterday, and you will succeed.
谢谢观看。